welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica will seek to add to its lone medal so far at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Lima, Peru on today's fourth and penultimate day of the championships. Carricker Hill is favored to defend the women's 100-meter hurdles title when the final runs off at 5:05 p.m. Richard Hall will line up in the final of the men's 110-meter hurdles, which is set for 5:25 p.m. And Shania Douglas will contest the final of the women's 200 meters, which is set for 6:35 p.m. 100-meter champion Alana Reid is the country's lone medal winner so far. Live coverage can be seen on TVJ and TVJSN with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Cavalier thrashed Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago 4-1 in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup competition at Sabina Park on Thursday night to make it 2-2 in Group A. Cavalier opened the scoring in the 22nd minute through Shaquille Steen, but Police FC were back on level terms in minute 32 through Kevin Woodley. Steen got his second as Cavalier regained the lead in minute 65, and the Jamaica Premier League champions pulled further away when Dwayne Atkinson scored in the 77th. Atkinson notched his brace and capped off the 4-1 win in second half stoppage time to push Cavalier to 6 points and the top of the group ahead of fellow Jamaica Premier League campaigners Mount Pleasant FC. Cavalier will next be in action in the competition on September 7 against the Real Hope of Haiti. And enigmatic winger Leon Bailey has been recalled to the Reggae Boys' 23-man squad for Jamaica's upcoming CONCACAF Nations League matches against Cuba and Honduras. The JFF had suspended Bailey's selection under then-coach Hermer Holgimson after he withdrew from the Copa America squad in June. The Reggae Boys play Cuba next week Friday, September 6 at the National Stadium before playing away to Honduras on Tuesday, September 10. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.